How to structure code in HTML. One of HTML's main job is to give a structure, and texts are structured mainly using headings and paragraph. Apart from headings and paragraph, there are other elements like boldface, block quotation, line break, horizontal rule, strong importance, etc. Let's look at them one by one in detail. Open Visual Studio Code and create a file and name it index.html and get the boilerplate code. To get the boilerplate code, type in html:5 and hit enter. First, let's see how to give headings. In HTML, each heading has to be wrapped in an HTML element. There are 6 HTML elements: h1, h2, h3, h4, h5 and h6. Each element represents a different level of content in the document. H1 represents the main heading, H2 represents subheadings, H3 represents sub-subheading, and so on. Let's see how does these things work. Let's start by using the H1 element. For that, open H1 tag and a closing H1 tag, and in between these two tags, give the heading. I would like to give it a heading level 1. Let's save it and hit refresh. By opening the same file in the browser, we can see a heading over here, and let's explore other heading elements like H2, H3 and all. Let's change the tag accordingly. Now we have changed the number in the tags and also the headings. Let's check it. Yeah, this is the thing what we have just written. As the level increases, the size decreases. When you're doing real projects, make sure you use the headings in the correct order in the hierarchy. Don't use H3 elements to represent subheading followed by H2 elements to represent sub-subheading. That doesn't make any sense and will lead to weird results. Now let's look at paragraph. In HTML, paragraphs are represented by using p tags. Let's see an example. Open p tag and a closing p tag, and in between it write some dummy text. Let's save it and refresh our page. Yes, we can see a paragraph over here. Let's modify this paragraph by giving a special attention to this word over here by using the boldface element. The B tag is used to draw the reader's attention to the element's content. Here I have opened a B tag and I have written the content which wanted it to be bold, and I have closed the bold tag. Let's check it. Yeah, here we can see the content has got bolder. What I want next is to show this sentence in the next line. So how can we do that? Let's write this in a new fresh line. Like, let me add an enter here. Let's see if that makes any difference. Save and go for a refresh. Nothing happens. This sentence is still in the same line. So to go to a new line, we will be needing the line breaking element. The BR tag produces a line breaking in the text. These tags do not have any closing tag, so just a single opening tag will change the line. Let's check it. I'm going to add a BR tag over here and let's see the difference. We can see that this sentence got shifted to the next line. Now I want a horizontal line between them. For that, let's use the horizontal rule. The HR tag in HTML stands for horizontal rule and is used to insert a horizontal rule or a thematic break in the HTML page to divide or separate document sections. It must have a start tag but must not have an end tag. So let's add a horizontal rule over here. Here we can see a horizontal line separating these two sentences. There is one more element called strong importance element which is similar to the boldface. The HTML strong importance element indicates that its contents have strong importance, seriousness or urgency. Browser typically renders the contents in bold type. Let's check it out. Let's make this line as a strong importance element. For that, add a strong element over here. Enclose the sentence within the strong tab. We can see that this line got bolder. The next element is the block quotation element. The block quote indicates that the enclosed text is an extended quotation. It is used to represent quotations like what people said and so. Let's see how does that work. Open the block quotation tag and give some text inside it. Save and refresh to see the changes. We can see that these few lines of code are like quotations and they are separated from other documents. That's all about text structuring in HTML. See you in next video. Bye.